My friends, welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a few weeks and I've missed you all. Took a little bit of time off. I decided not to work on YouTube for a bit and just be present with myself and my girlfriend and enjoy myself on this incredible cruise. Unfortunately, while I was taking time off videos, everything has changed. You know, we've got a lot of stuff to talk about, a lot of stuff to break down in this video, but the biggest piece of news right now is that I am going home, Cass is going home. We are both leaving this ship 5 days from today. Ooh, that's blue, that's cool. Put some blue over here. Where's my front light? Haha! Look! And we're putting it right there. And I dropped it. Okay. Nope, I dropped it again. All right, so when I last left you guys, I had some really cool news. I was very excited to tell you some stuff about what was happening in the future, and then I kind of left it at that, and I was going to be like, ooh, things are happening in the future. Exciting things. Those exciting things aren't happening anymore, but now I can tell you about them. We were actually planning originally, before we started having like a giant second wave of coronavirus cases globally, the company was looking at the serious possibility of our ship returning to service out of China and, you know, taking guests from China to the middle of the ocean so that they can, I don't know, gamble in the casino or I have no idea why you would take a cruise to nowhere, but I'm sure there are reasons. We were gonna actually start cruising and I was super excited. I was gonna take you guys along for the journey. We were gonna see how that works, get an actual peek at what cruising might look like in the future with social distancing and masks and all that jazz. That's not happening anymore. And because the coronavirus cases all over the world are spiking again, the company has pretty much made the decision that at this point in time, we have no real idea of when we're going to be able to start cruising again, so we're just going to be sending people home for now. So very soon, over the next few weeks, Quantum of the Seas, which has been my home for nearly 5 months now without getting off, is going to be unloading the majority of their non-working crew members and sending everybody home as quickly as they can. Now, it is important to note that if people don't want to go home for whatever reason, if they don't feel safe, etc., the company has established 2 ships. They've got the Majesty of the Seas, which is in Southampton right now, and they've also got Symphony of the Seas, which is down in the Bahamas somewhere. And those 2 ships have been kind of converted into hotels to house crew members that don't wish to go home yet. So those options do exist, although it's important to note that both me and Cass have decided not to go with that option, and we will be flying home in 5 days or so. So I don't mention at all in the video that I'm editing right now where me and Cass are going. So Cass is going back to Malaysia. Oh, I need to point the light at me. Cass is going back to Malaysia and I'm going back to Alaska. So we're gonna be on opposite sides of the world for a while. And yeah, we're not gonna be going home together, which is sad. We're sad. That's sad. So in terms of the general details surrounding our flights, we are both gonna be going out of Hong Kong. At least that is the current plan. Hong Kong is gonna be taking in several of our non-working crew members, and we'll be going to the Hong Kong airport, getting straight on a flight, and heading to our respective homes. So I guess that's pretty much it. I've got my light here still. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. There's not much else to it. We have basically decided to go home. There's not really any future chance of us returning to service anytime soon, as far as Quantum of the Seas is concerned. At least that seems to be the opinion of the people shoreside. So obviously all those dates are still to be determined, but the general consensus is that it's going to be so far into the future that there's no good reason to keep a bunch of crew members on these ships, because it's going to be another few months. At least that's my guess. That's all speculation. I have no freaking idea. I just got this news yesterday, by the way. I just got these flights and the fact that I would be going home, and all this information just got dumped on us yesterday. So now I'm making a video about it. Cass has already started packing her stuff because she's the responsible one in the relationship. And I have not even begun to consider thinking about the concept of packing my stuff. So I still have a long ways to go. I have so much stuff to take care of. There's just so much on my plate right now. But I really, really want to make a bunch of videos about this. So I have no idea how much I'm gonna be able to put up with as far as making videos is concerned. I know you guys want to see every single minute detail of this process as we, get off the ship and go home and fly. My flight is gonna be about 24 hours across the globe in the middle of a global pandemic. So I think that'll be a pretty fun video to make as well. So yeah, I really want to document as much of this as possible, but I've got to pack and do a bunch of stuff and get things squared away and make sure that I'm gonna have transportation once I get home and a place to quarantine and do all that jazz. So I will take you all along for the ride. I want to make more than one video a week, definitely. I want to make, in a perfect world, I would make a video every other day about this process, about going home. I really want to be able to do that, and I think I can do that, but I'm not going to commit to doing that. Does that make sense?
Alrighty, come this way.
I'm sorry guys, I'm really not good at this whole regulating my life and setting schedules and deadlines sort of thing. So you're just gonna have to bear with me as I make these videos. I'm going to make as much as I can to document this whole journey, and the channel's not going anywhere. I would love to make videos once I get home too, but that's something that I don't even want to begin to think about right now. Oh my God. So yeah, I'm just throwing together this video super quick and dirty. It's gonna be not very put together, as you have probably already gathered. I'm not putting a whole lot of Riley perfectionism into this video. I'm just getting the word and message out to you guys that I'm gonna be doing probably a bunch more vlogs as this Hong Kong deadline approaches, and then subsequently I fly home and quarantine and all that jazz. It's gonna be a whole adventure that I hope to bring you all along for. I also would love to shoot the crew area tour and finish that before I leave. So yeah, we'll see if that happens too. I love you guys so much. I am sorry that I didn't give you much of a heads up as far as just disappearing from social media and YouTube is concerned. I just wanted to take some time off. But now I'm back, and things are happy and exciting, and the world is a new and fantastic and dangerous place. All right, guys, I love you. I'm gonna see you very soon in the next video. Goodbye. I'm gonna put down my light so I can do my thing. All right, goodbye.